Hello, I'm Howard, driving instructor and founder of How to Drive. We're a local driving school based in Norwich, and we won't just tell you how to pass the UK driving test. Instead, we'll teach you how to drive. Our instructors are waiting to give you the skills, knowledge and understanding to become a safe driver for life. When you join our School of Motoring, you'll learn all the essential skills of awareness, planning, anticipation, judgment and car control. When you join our driving school, your first 2-hour lesson will be half price. With our special offer, you can take us for a spin around Norwich to see what you think of our lessons before you commit to block booking lessons in advance. Want to get cheaper driving lessons? When you buy a block of 10 hours, we'll give you a block booking discount, saving you £20 on our normal driving lesson price. All our students get our How to Drive app. You can use it to track your course progress, see when your next lesson is, and even book driving lessons with your instructor. Need help with your theory test and highway code? No problem. As one of our pupils, you'll get the Theory Test Pro app to help you revise. We believe that learning made fun gets done. Perhaps you've already had lessons with other schools. Whether you've had experience or not, we're confident you'll enjoy learning to drive with us. We use a structured approach to our driver training courses. This means our pupils pass their tests sooner and need fewer hours of tuition, around 17 hours less than the DVSA average. We're confident we can save you time and money. To secure your half-price introductory 2-hour lesson, get in touch today and we'll get you on the road in no time. You can book driving lessons online at howtodrive.com or just give us a call on 01603 957 097.